Hello, this is day 3 of our walking challenge, the Sunshine Makers Club. Hello, how are you? So, I am asking some very specific questions today, and I hope that you will think about them, know that it's coming from a place of love, and that I really care about you, and I want to help you. So those of you who answered yes, that you're going to be joining me on the little walking challenge, welcome, thank you. And if you could just send me a DM, or if you're joining me in my Facebook group, or if you've joined on the mailing list, Sunshine Makers Club, which is in the profile above, just click it and then click on Sunshine Makers Club. Please let me know. I need to have the encouragement just as much as I'm encouraging you, so it helps me to know who is joining me. And if you want a walking buddy, listen to the video clip that I'm showing you of my bingo game challenge today, which was to get outside, walk for 15 minutes, but it's also finding birds, because I see birds every day, so I'm like, hey, you're going to be seeing birds all the time because they come to my backyard because I feed them. All right, so please answer the questions for me. It really helps me out, and it lets me know that I'm not alone, and I want you to know that you're not alone. I'm here to help you, and we can help each other. Okay, so love you all. Day 3 of our walking challenge, and I'm getting the birdies trying to be so quiet and sneaky. There's blue jay, doves. I don't know if there's any squirrels. So I am going to be going out there in just a moment. There's a little birdie. But I'm going to let them eat for a few more minutes, because if I walk out, they'll all fly away. And I want them to be able to get their little nourishment before I go out there and scare them. So today on my activities list, which I can see birds in the same ones usually every day, so today is going to be to walk for 15 minutes. I usually walk for 10, and I can go around my backyard here. And so that's what I'm going to do. So tell me in the comments what prevents you from walking. So some of you are telling me you can't walk very much. So what prevents you from walking? Because I have a heart valve issue, and walking is actually strengthening my heart valve. And I have a circulation issue, and walking is improving my circulation. So walking also prevents blood clots and other issues that we don't want. So being sedentary is, of course, very detrimental to our health. We're not going to get healthier by sitting around. And so my goal is to not just walk from my couch to my kitchen, to my bathroom, to the craft room, sit down, or stand, because my goal also was to be working on standing for longer periods of time. So now I can do that. And I'm doing a program that has helped me to improve by calming down my nervous system. And it's just a remarkable program. So your nervous system is in control of most of what is going on in your body. So when things aren't going right, then it's the nervous system. So we can improve things by calming down the nervous system. And so one of the goals that I'm going by is what Felicity's dad told her. If you remember in our video, you can do anything that everyone else can do, but maybe just for not as long. So my goal is to get back to my life, reclaiming my life, regaining my health, restoring my brain, and I'm doing that. If you want to learn more about it, send me a private message, DM me, and I will tell you what it is that I'm doing, because I'll be happy to share it with you. My doctor was the one who actually recommended it for me, a medical doctor, functional medicine doctor as well, and it was the best thing any doctor has done for me in a long, long time. So just hoping you're enjoying the backyard bird watching show as I'm sitting here recording today. So day 3 on our walking challenge, this is going to be an ongoing challenge. I'd love for you to join my private Facebook group and get on my mailing list so that you get your walking challenge bingo game. This is a lot of fun. I really am enjoying it. If you want to be one of my walking buddies, give me a text message too. Any of my sisters, just text message me. I'd love to go to Green Springs. It's very quiet there. I can only walk for about 10 minutes and then I have to sit for quite a while. So it's nice. It's very nice. And we can still social distance because I have to be very careful. And but just if you want a walking buddy, get with me. I can drive myself to Green Springs. I can't drive very far yet. I'm still working on that. So that's another one of my goals. I am driving again, so this is wonderful. So just know, sisters, that I understand you. I feel your pain, but we have to help each other to get past believing that we can't, and we have to help each other get to a place of believing that we can. Okay, because that's what our loving Creator wants us to do. He wants us to enjoy our life. And it's not enjoyable to be locked up in your house. I've done it for 18 years and I can't do it anymore. Okay, I have to get my life back. I have to get back to living. So I don't know about you, but if you want to get back to living, then you can join my Sunshine Makers Club, get on my mailing list, and I'll help you do it. All right, love you all. Let me know in the comments below how you're doing, what you need help with. I'm happy to help you. I'm here for you. We're on this journey together, okay? We're all trying to get to paradise together, and we need each other's help. It's not easy to do it by yourself. And if you think you can do it by yourself, you're not going to get very far. And you're going to just go back to doing what you were doing before, and you're not going to make progress, but I want you to make progress. Okay, love you all. Bye-bye.